Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Since government have realized how incompetent the service chief are and now have thrust in local solutions, we wish to call on Mr. President, our father, the father of the nation, to immediately set up a mechanism to organize youth in other geopolitical zone into security cluster and give them necessary support so that they can bring peace to their various regions. While heading to this place, our attention was drawn to a statement attributed to a House of Representative member, House of Representative candidate of the All Progressive Congress. As some of you may be aware, over the last week, numerous news media were awash with the story of the award pipeline surveillance contract to Chief Government Ekpe Melogbu, aka Tompolo. It is reported that it will be ranking in 4 billion naira monthly from our national treasury. We are here this morning to register our displeasure over the newly awarded contract. We are aware that Tompolo and his boys are major beneficiaries of the Presidential Amnesty Program, wherein the federal government under the leadership of late Umaru Musa Arewa extended same to the restive youths of the Niger Delta. Till date, supposed ex-agitators are being sponsored to world-class universities. Others are being trained to acquire skills, while others with established businesses are constantly being empowered. As a matter of fact, we officially have the Amnesty Office that is being funded from our annual budget, yet the restiveness of the Niger Delta seems to be increasing with increased funding of the amnesty program. The implication of the awarded contract is that a private citizen like Tompolo will be allowed to handle not just light but sophisticated weapons to be able to ward off possible attacks from vicious oil bunkery. This is coming at a time our region is bleeding profusely due to the activities of terrorist elements. Yet our youth, who are more than willing to die for the sake of the country, are not allowed to personally acquire light arms to defend their communities, not to even talk of getting significant support from the federal government. Our group attributes the increasing bunkery and the subsequent award of the contentious contract of either inability of our armed forces and other security agencies to curtail the menace or possible internal collusion. This has led to outsourcing of their jobs to private citizens. This gathering in our minimal number is to register our displeasure over it. We have issued a 7-day ultimatum to the government to terminate the contract, or better still, shut down the amnesty office. Niger Delta youth alone cannot have the two. We are all stakeholders in the Nigerian project and demand to benefit from the Nigerian project. We have equally called on Mr. President to sack Mr. Timi Silva, the Minister of State for Petroleum, Mele Kyari, the GMD of NNPC Limited, and Adokie Tombomele, Group Executive Director, upstream, over the role they played in the contract procedures as widely published in the national media. At the expiration of our ultimatum, we shall be here, effective from Monday, to paralyze activities in the towers until our demands are met.
While I leave Kuje, in the night, the way that incident happened, we are in our custody around 10:30 in the night. So we are hearing shooting everywhere and explosive. So those people now came into the custody, starting shooting the padlock of the cells. Even because of that myself, I even have injury in my hand. So after they open, they say, though there's only one anybody to remain here. Everybody to go outside. If you remain here, then kill you. So we run outside, all of us. So after we run outside, so me, I go back to Tafa, Kaduna, but I have my senior sister, which she's married in Sabonse. So sometime, for security reason, I am coming her side in the night to come and eat, so that people, they will not see me, but I am not sleeping in her house. So we get one hotel, then they call the hotel Sanasi Hotel, so closer to our area. If you cross Main Road, now they sleep, but ideally, nobody know the place where they stay for that side. And the place where they stay, people know they day that side. Now place where then they write something and serve.
So for that hotel, you can't steal something there again?
Yes.
Why did you steal in the hotel again?
I steal laptop and
why did you steal? Why did you steal those items?
Why we say I steal? Because in the afternoon, I am not going anywhere and I don't have money to feed myself. And why we say I carry the iPad and the monitor with that, I go sell them for Tafa so that I will have something to save to.
So don't you know stealing somebody's property is a criminal offense?
I know, sir.
Yet you went ahead to do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you are with us.
Yes, sir.
What is the message that you have for your colleagues who escaped from Kuje prison?
So me, my own, you say my own message that I have for people who escape for Kuje prison, because me I know say for some people who escape, my own mean a small thing. For part of people who be say they escape for there, but my own be say if they know say they escape for Kuje prison, make them come back,
come report.
Make them come report
so that they can come finish their
sentence. But
daytime.
Yes, but I am begging Nigeria to look into my case and forgive me. I will not do that thing again, because that time when they arrest me, now 17 years I did.
Okay.
I beg Nigeria. If to say I get a better thing, I no go put my hand for this country.
When Oga carry you go see magistrate one-on-one. This thing where you talk now, tell the magistrate. He go attend to you. No wahala.
May God bless Nigeria, sir.
Amen. Police, support other security agencies to fight these are common enemy along. We have done this today, and the message must go to all and sundry in Nigeria and across the globe that the Nigerian Police Force, under the leadership of IGP Usman Akali Baba, will continue to take the fight to the den of these criminals and to anywhere they are, so that we can have a safer society in this country. Gentlemen of the press, we want to appreciate you on behalf of the Inspector General of Police, IGP Usman Akali Baba, PSC Dagal, NPM FDC, and operatives of FIB RRT, you have done this or recorded these great feats. We urge them to continue to fight the battle as we pray that God will continue to be with them, and be rest assured the police authority